Ever feel like everyone's speaking a secret language? The language is code, and in 2026, it's everywhere. From AI that writes essays to smart apps that plan your day, understanding code is the key to keeping up. Coding isn't just for tech wizards anymore. AI takes care of boring stuff, so learning to code is about creativity and problem solving. Think of it like learning a new language. You start small, but soon you are making your ideas real. So, why it matters? Code powers almost everything. Artists use it to tweak AI generated art, entrepreneurs automate business tasks, and even fitness coaches create AI driven workout plans. Learning it isn't just for jobs, it's about building your own tools, automating boring tasks, and creating something new. Except bugs and why isn't it working moments. That's normal. Every mistake is a lesson. Start small, maybe 20 minutes a day, one tutorial a week. Celebrate wins no matter how tiny. So, where to start? Python for AI, data, and readability. JavaScript for interactive websites and apps. Tools, you just need VS Code for writing code. Git to track your projects, free learning platforms like FreeCodeCamp or Code Academy. And there are several AI coding assistants to help you along the way. Learn the basics first variables, loops, functions. Then try small projects a habit tracker, a tiny AI assistant, or a simple game. Slowly move to bigger stuff APIs, object oriented programming, or AI model integration. Set a routine, break problems into chunks, and join online communities. Coding in 2026 is about teaming up with AI to make your ideas real. So, what are you building first? AI experiments or web apps? Drop it in the comments below and let's make 2026 the year you start coding.